Stripe can be characterized as a robust payment processing software suite, ideally suited for low-risk small businesses and organizations that have access to developer skills. E-commerce business owners who are in search of credit card processing services and payment gateways for their operations cannot overlook Stripe. It stands as one of the most prominent and widely recognized providers within the realm of online payments and financial technology. The company acts as both a payment service provider and a payment gateway provider. By using Stripe, you can accept credit cards and debit cards without needing a payment system that relies on services from multiple different companies. Additionally, Stripe handles transactions for many of the largest brands. The company states that a significant 89% of all credit card transactions are handled through the Stripe network. Additionally, it is capable of handling over 135 currencies. Thus, the Stripe Payment Gateway stands as a widely favored solution for businesses operating internationally. Stripe is fundamentally a payment processing platform. It facilitates the seamless transfer of funds from a customer's bank account directly into your business account, all through either a credit card or a debit card transaction. The suite of products and features offered by Stripe primarily concentrates on e-commerce transactions. With an increasing number of businesses transitioning to an omni-channel model, encompassing both online and in-person sales, the company broadened its range of services to include support for credit card terminals, point-of-sale systems, and mobile device processing solutions. Even though Stripe's product offerings and services may not be entirely unique anymore, its solutions still stand out significantly from those of its rivals. Among the many advantages of using the Stripe payment system, the setup process is both quick and easy because, as a payment service provider, Stripe does not demand an exhaustive underwriting procedure to approve a comprehensive full-service merchant account. This means you are able to sign up online and also receive approval quite swiftly. It operates as an integrated payment processing system. Stripe provides not only credit card payment processing, but also a payment gateway within its comprehensive service. Furthermore, with support for various credit card terminals and robust point-of-sale systems, it delivers a unified and fully integrated solution that caters to both retail and e-commerce sales channels. An extensive set of customization options. So, if you're feeling restricted by a limited range of customization choices for your website, then Stripe's vast array of developer tools and APIs, complete with comprehensive documentation, will come to your aid. However, to truly harness the full potential of these features, you may need some coding expertise or the help of a professional developer. Regarding security features, while no provider can guarantee 100% chargeback-proof security at all times, Stripe approaches this ideal model as closely as possible. Most of Stripe's essential security features, including SSL, TLS, and encryption, are freely provided with every account. More advanced features, however, will come with an additional cost. For instance, the Stripe Radar Fraud Protection Service will cost a little additional. The initial step when accessing the Stripe website is to utilize the Stripe Atlas service, which comes with a fee and is strongly advised. This service covers company formation, wherein you compensate Stripe, and subsequently, they manage all the essential documentation and procedures necessary to formally establish your business in the United States by submitting your specific business documents and personal information. They will then establish your company in the United States, and you will receive your necessary information to register on Stripe. This service is supported in 140 countries and has an initial cost of $500, which is payable. This is a one-time payment. In exchange for this sum, you receive all the necessary information that Stripe requires from you. Additionally, there are annual recurring fees that are determined by your specific requirements and business operations. Alternatively, you have the option to find a country that officially supports Stripe and establish your company within that nation. Communication will be online after you set up a company in one of the supported countries. The information you obtain will be utilized to complete your registration with Stripe. These are the countries supported by Stripe, and all Arab countries are not supported. Therefore, for this explanation, we will focus on forming a company in the United Kingdom, as it is both simpler and more affordable when it comes to obtaining official paperwork. Choosing the United States is not advisable, as it typically demands more documentation than any other nation. Step 2. There are several platforms where you can establish a company, such as First Formations. It is considered one of the best existing platforms and is known for its reliability. It offers a variety of methods for company formation with numerous packages available. The most budget-friendly option available is the privacy package, costing approximately £30 British. This website offers plenty of information essential for your Stripe registration, and it also provides excellent support to guide you through the process. This is the website. Click on Order, then input your desired company or brand name and hit Submit. It will then inform you whether the name is indeed available. If it tells you the name is not available, meaning someone has already registered it, then you will need to keep changing the name until you come up with a new one that the website approves. Click Save and Continue. Next, you'll need to select the appropriate package for your needs. When choosing your package, make certain it furnishes all the essential information required for your Stripe registration. Agree to the terms and proceed to checkout. You'll now need to provide your personal information, your address, first and last name, and phone number. After that, select the payment method, enter your payment details, and then click to finish. The website will now reach out to you concerning your company's establishment, requesting a photo of your ID card or passport to verify your identity. They will communicate with you via email or through your account on the website until the very end, at which point you will receive your specific company details. These details are essential and will be used by you to successfully register for Stripe. Step 3 involves obtaining a British number. We selected a UK number because your company was established in the United Kingdom. Therefore, you will need to purchase a UK phone number. Go to the Sonitar website. It's a good site because it's easier to use and its prices are cheaper. Choose your country and select a number from the provided list. You won't directly use this number yourself, as every call made to it will be automatically forwarded to your personal phone number in your own country. Choose either a monthly or yearly payment option, and the associated costs will be shown right here. A monthly number costs $3. Simply click Sign Up to obtain the number. And just like that, you now have your UK company information and a UK phone number. Step 4. You will need a British internet address to access your account, as your British account cannot be accessed from an Arabic IP address, and doing so will result in your account being closed. Free VPN programs are not recommended, as Stripe can easily detect them. This website will grant you a browser within the United Kingdom and furnish you with a fresh British IP address that has not been previously utilized. This way, you'll be certain that it has never been utilized previously to open an account. There are 4 price plans. Some sites offer the service cheaper, but they have slow servers or other issues. That's why we chose this site for you to get a British IP. Click on Buy Now, and an icon will be sent for you to download onto your device. When you click on it, you will enter a server located in the United Kingdom. It's crucial that you only access it from this specific server, as you can never log into Stripe using an Arabic IP address. Step 5. Go to Stripe after activating your UK IP address. Enter your email, password, confirm the password, and click Create Account. This is the dashboard. You will be prompted to activate your email by logging into your email account and clicking on the activation link provided. From the control panel, click Activate your Stripe account, then Start Now, and begin entering your details and the details of the company you registered. The site automatically selected the United Kingdom because the IP address I used is British. Enter the information you've obtained for your company, which you established in the second step, and select the business type as Private Limited Company and click Next. Now enter the company name, CRN, and VAT number, all of which you obtained from the information purchased in the second step. Provide the address and the business phone number you received in the third step and input the industry you operate in. After that, furnish a concise description of your service. Click Next and enter this data as the business representative for this company. This information is also obtained during the second step, specifically when you communicate with the company. All the details come from the second step, including the email address, which absolutely must be created with the domain of the company you established. However, regarding the address, you are able to provide your original address since your Arab identity has already been verified by Stripe, and Stripe permits a company to be managed from a different country. So, for the address, there's no problem entering your actual address. Enter the mobile number you got from the second step and click Next. You have the option to bypass these steps, or alternatively, you can input the information if it's already part of the company details acquired during the second step. At the very least, you must list a single owner for the company. Now, you also need to input information from the second step. This particular information becomes visible when a customer purchases a product from your online store, displaying your company's name, a brief description, the company number, and the company address. Proceed by clicking Next and then input your bank account details where the funds will be deposited into your account. These are the funds that have been collected via the Stripe payment gateway. Click Next. Now you need to activate two-step authentication via SMS or an authenticator app. The app is preferred. Simply download the Google Authenticator app, then scan this barcode. A 6-digit code will appear in the app, which you then need to input into your account. Review all the data and click Done. Your Stripe account has now been created. Finally, you will be asked for a photo of your passport. You are now able to receive payments from your e-commerce store via Stripe. Share your questions in the comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.